guys, this is Sudarshan. Welcome to our channel Science Logbook. In today's video, we are going to see the topic Introduction to Science, episode 1. About science and its founder. Now, what is science? Science is a systematic study of the world around us through observation and experimentation. Galileo Galilei is the father of science. Galileo was a natural philosopher, astronomer, and a mathematician who made fundamental contributions to sciences of motion, astronomy, and strength of materials to the development of scientific method. He was born on 15 February 1564. What are the main branches of science? There are three main branches of science. They are chemistry, physics, and biology. Now let's learn about them in detail. What is physics? Physics is the study of relationship of objects, forces, energy. Physics explains gravity and the way things move according to Newton's law of motion. This also helps us understand behavior and movement of energy, such as heat, light, and electricity. The word physics was taken from the Greek word physis, which means nature. Physics is classified into sections such as heat, light, sound, electricity, magnetism, mechanics, nuclear physics, etc. What is chemistry? Chemistry is one of the major branches of science. It is the study of composition and properties of substances, the reactions and how they form new substances. The word chemistry derives from the word alchemy. Alchemy derives from the Arabic word chemia. Anthony Lavoisier is known as the father of modern chemistry. Biology is the science of life. Its name is derived from the Greek words bios, which means life, and logos, that is study. Biologists study the structure, function, growth, origin, evolution, and distribution of living organisms. Aristotle is known as the father of biology. With this, we come to the end of this topic. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you.